Hey everybody, I'm Jason Catrone, your country crooner.
And I'm Gage Brownie, and we are here in Printer's Alley because we are doing Sidewalk Karaoke, y'all.
Come with us now.
Let's go.
We got a new victim, if you will.
Oh, a new
on
victim.
Sidewalk Karaoke.
I love that. It's going to be a lot of fun. I think you got this. I got a really good song for you. Oh, come on.
Do I know this?
I kissed the girl.
Is this Katy Perry?
Yes!
I don't know the words. I don't know the words. I'm curious, bro.
Come on.
I kissed the girl and I liked it. The taste of a cherry chapstick. What? I kissed the girl. I don't know the words.
Okay. Oh.
I don't know the words. I
Oh.
kissed the girl and I liked it. I liked it.
Good job, guys. Good job.
That was epic. Loved it.
I saved the
You
day.
came in so hot. You were ready for that.
I was.
Wait, by the way, where are you from?
Missouri.
Wait, you're 21st?
21st birthday.
Come on, both of you?
Oh, I hope you're gonna get super
Have
lit.
you been to Nashville?
Yes.
Have you all been to Nashville before?
It's my 21st.
Never? Are you having the time of your life?
Oh, it's the best time ever.
Okay, right now. Also known as a What do you want? It is this.
No, I don't want no scrubs. Scrubs is the guy that can't get no love from me. Now the passenger side of the best friend side, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. Scrub is the guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging from the passenger side of the best friend side, trying to holler at me.
Okay, you didn't think you could do it, but you did it. So, you did it. I'm very proud of y'all. Nice. That's
Guys, this is harder than it looks, but look for us on the streets of Nashville. I'm Jason Catrone,
good. And I'm Gage Brownie.
and we are doing some Sidewalk Karaoke.
Ba-da-ba-ba-da-ba-ba-bow.